The MSSA School Association Central Body on Thursday sought the intervention of Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik into the grievances. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Meghalaya SSA School Association President Aristotle Rimbai said that the Governor had assured them to take it up with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to settle it, and also the Ministry of Finance and Education regarding the delay in releasing ad hoc installment during his visit to Delhi beginning tomorrow. The SSA teachers are demanding the release of their 5 months' salary and also to enhance the salary of the lower primary and upper primary.
Ka jing sngap man jong ka sarkar jela halor ki atli ki mat jing dawa jongi ka banongkong ban Plight ya katulok badang sa jingi san benai kata jong 9 February and March jong ka financial year your last financial year 2021-22 nang ta jong current financial year 2022-23 jong benai April May and June ka baar ka ba nakaliang jingi dawa ban penkiu dan enhance ya katulok jingi kinomikai se Bala omen kan adin baka ngimyo kono ka respon na kaliang jong ka state government benda ka sini nila yola bagi kendo i honorable governor ban pensiau HI yakini ki atli ki mat jing dawa jongi ban ngila kerpar ro i ban kaliang jong i ba in tuklar lem pai dei patane benta dang bangi na kaliang jong kinong kasi in yo ela ka jong